All of a sudden it's just, every man for himself, go! Fuck me. Why not, eh? Why not? Just because you can. Go around a bend on the wrong side of the road around a truck. Stop in the middle of the road, you're right. Not a problem. This is a bit tight. That was a bit of a wild move. I'm getting used to this. It's not so freaky anymore. Doing this is almost normal. Not quite. I still do it with a very large grin on my face and butt cheeks clenched, but there's not the level of fear that I did have the first time I was riding in Hawaii. It's tighter than a nun's nasty across this bridge. Have a look at it. Riding around here definitely tests out your slow manoeuvring skills, that's for sure. If you can't manoeuvre a motorcycle at slow speed, you're in trouble. And if you haven't got any spatial awareness, then you might as well not do it. Yep. That's what happens. Oh, mate. Yeah, bit crowded. Yeah. God, just hit my mirror. I better road rage at him. You stay there. Fuck me! Oh shit. That seemed to be tight. Fucking get out of the way, I can't see shit. This is nuts. Pick a lane, any lane. Which lane are we going in? This one will do. Ah. Oh no. Bus ran over a bike. Holy shit. That looked nasty.